What's going on, everybody? I have a quick update on the Nano Arbot. I let it like run for a bit, and it's bringing me profits at 112 bucks right now. Yeah, it executed a bunch of profitable trades, profitable arbitrage opportunities actually. So yeah, and it uses Solana and Ethereum. You gotta check it out for yourself. It's been really good right now. It executes trades with the positions at like 5 sol, 5 sol, 4 sol position. So yeah, I would most definitely go in and try it with 6 sol or 5 sol on a wallet. So yeah, that way it's gonna bring more like opportunities like this: $4 profit, $3 profit, 4 and 3. And yeah, it's gonna keep on like bringing these sweet profits for you. So I'm at like 112 bucks right now, and it's like farming profits at this point. At this point, so yeah, it's a really sweet and very high speed bot. So if you're trying to get onto the arbitrage, okay, hold on. There's a bunch of trades that has been executed by the bot, and we're at like 120 bucks right now, which is really good. I've never seen it go this wild before. So yeah, this is a almost $5 profit. This is 0. That's 70 cents profit, and 3.8 bucks. And yeah, it's finding opportunities on Solana and Ethereum, and finding these 1 to 2% edge, and it's executing trades based on that. So even like 0.16% edge, it executes this uh, trading opportunity on arbitrage opportunity on the it's buying like on Mango markets and selling on Radium. So yeah, there's the difference between these two markets. So it finds these opportunities, and it's executing like trades and monitoring them. So yeah, it's a really nice bot, and I think it's gonna keep on bringing profits. So if you're trying to like try it or test it out, I'm gonna leave the bot link on the description below. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Oh, hold on. We're at 132 bucks profit right now, which is really good. And I'm gonna leave it running like that. We're at like 17.6 sol. Yeah, nice. That is some nice profits. It's a passive income, obviously, so you can leave it overnight and it's gonna keep bringing profits to you. So yeah, that's everything for today, guys. Um, I'll leave the bot link on the description below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.